I wonder if any of you have had this problem. The hydraulic motor runs far too slow to match the equipment's need, and everything lags behind. In general, with the motor displacement unchanged, a larger supply flow will result in a higher rotational speed. Hence, the first method is to boost the hydraulic pump's output flow. You can adjust the variable pump flow or increase the pump speed if permitted by the engine, pump, and system. The second way is to raise the overall system flow. When one pump cannot deliver enough flow, use the multiple pumps in parallel for fluid supply. Therefore, you need to re-verify pipeline size, valve group flow rating, tank capacity, heat dissipation, and anti-backflow protection for the pumps. Don't just connect the pumps directly. The third option is to fit a hydraulic motor with proper displacement. A smaller displacement motor will deliver higher speed at safe flow. Keep in mind that low displacement means low output torque, so check if the equipment can handle the corresponding load. Besides, you can also adjust the output speed with variable motor, variable pumps, and mechanical speed changers. No matter which solution you choose, remember one key point. Increased motor speed is all about rebalancing flow, displacement, and load. A higher speed requires check on torque, heat build-up, efficiency, and lifespan. If not, the motor will easily overheat, lose power, run noisily, and break down ahead of time.